Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide the files and folders on your desktop on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is locate the folder or the file that you want to hide. Then you have to just right click on it. Then just click on Show More Properties. Then click on Properties. And under Attributes in General tab, make sure it is checked. Then click on Apply. Click on OK. Click on OK again. As you can see, the folder has disappeared. Now, how do you get to see the folder again? Just go to your File Explorer. From here, just go to Desktop. And then from here, click on View. And make sure to click on Show. Then make sure Hidden Items is checked from here. Then if you go back to your desktop, there you go. You can see that folder. Now, after that, you can just access the folder however you want. And after that, you can hide it again by going to your File Explorer again. Go to Desktop. And click on View, click on Show, and make sure to uncheck this Hidden Item box. And the folder will be hidden again. This works the same way as files as well. And that is basically how to hide files and folders on your desktop on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.